Good morning, class. We are starting exercise 7.6, second question. Sarita bought 2/5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3/4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? You have to find total length. It means we will plus this two fractions. First of all, we will write here Sarita bought ribbon is 2/5 meter. Then Lalita bought ribbon is 3/4 meter. Now you have to find total length of ribbon. Total length of ribbon. So for this we will add these two fractions. Because denominators are different, so we will take here LCM of 5 and 4. So it will go on 2 2 ja 4, again on 2 1 ja 2, now on 5 is a prime number, so we will multiply these prime numbers. 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, so LCM will be 20. Leave one line and write 20. Then you know, with this numerator you have to do divide, and with this denominator you have to do divide, and with this numerator you have to do multiply. So 20 divided by 5, it will be 4, and this 4 multiply by 2, 4 2 ja 8, so here 8 will come. Similarly 20 divided by 4, it will be 4 5 ja 20, then this 5 multiply by this 3, 5 3 ja 15, so here 15 will come. Now we will add 15 and 8, it will be 23/20 meter. So this is the total length of ribbon. Third question is, Naina was given 1.5 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 1/3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Again he saying find the total amount. So for total we will add the pieces of these cakes. So you will write Naina was given cake 1.5 piece. Then Nazma was given cake 1 1/3 piece. Total amount of cake, we will add this. These are mixed fraction. First of all, change mixed into improper. 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3/2, plus 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4/3. Denominators are different, so we will take LCM of 2 and 3. 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3. Multiply this, 2 into 3, 2 3 ja 6. Leave one line and LCM is 6. For this you have to do divide, and with the numerator you have to do multiply. 6 divided by 2, it will be 3, and this 3 multiply by 3, it will be 9, plus 6 divided by this 3, 3 2 ja 6, and this 2 multiply by this numerator 4, 2 4 ja 8, so here 8 will come. 9 plus 8, 17/6. Now question is in mixed fraction, so answer also will come in mixed fraction. So what you will do, this work you have to do in rough, and you will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, because question is in mixed fraction. So it will be 6 2 ja 12, so 2 5/6. This is the answer. Total amount of cake was given to both of them. Fourth question is fill-ups. Okay. Now this type of question we did in previous exercise, but one difference was there. In those questions denominators were different, but in these questions denominators are different. So we will do this question with complete solution. Now you have to find this fraction. So what we will do, we will write here, we will take this number to that side. Okay. 5/8 here is of minus. When minus number will go there on other side of equal, it will be of plus. So it will be like this, 1/4 plus 5/8. ठीक है. माइनस नंबर व्हेन विल go another side then it will be of plus. So because denominators are different, so we are taking this method. Now we will plus this. Again take LCM of 4 and 8 because denominators are different. It will go on 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, again on 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, again 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now multiply this, it will be 8. So here LCM will be 8. Now with this you will divide and with this you will do multiply. 8 divided by 4, 2 and 2 1 ja 2 plus 8 divided by 8, 1 and 1 multiply by 5, 1 5 ja 5. So it will be 7 upon 8. It is in simplest form. So answer is 7 upon 8. So how you will write answer? You will write like this. Write this 7 upon 8 in box minus 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. This is answer. In this B part also, look at B part. You have to find this fraction. Again 1 upon 5 will go there because denominators are different. 1 upon 5 is here of minus. When it will go there, it will be of plus. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. Again take LCM of 2 and 5. 2 1 ja 2, 5 1 ja 5. Multiply it. 2 5 ja 10. So here LCM is 10. Divide, multiply. 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 1 ja 5 plus 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 1 ja 2. Add it, 7 upon 10 will answer. So how you will write? In box you will write 7 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 2. This is answer. So remember this thing, when denominators are different and you have to find the fraction from quotient, then that fraction will go on other side. If it is of here minus, then it will go there, it will be of plus. If this fraction is here of plus, then when it will go that side, then it will be of minus. Now in C part, 1 upon 2 minus. Now in C part, you have to find this fraction. This fraction is with minus. Means this the fraction of the sign of this fraction is minus. So what we will do? We will exchange these two numbers. This box will go that side and this 1 by 6 will come this side. So here will be 1 upon 2, 1 upon 6. What is the sign of 1 upon 6 here? Plus. So when 1 upon 6 will come here, this will be of minus. Equal. And what is the sign of this box? Minus. When this box will go that side, it will be of plus. Okay. Now again, you have to subtract this. So we will take LCM of 2 and 6. And when we will do the shifting of box, we will shift the box on that side when the sign of box will be minus. Then we will shift the box of that side. So here we will take LCM of 2 and 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Do multiply these prime numbers. 2 3 ja 6. So LCM is 6. Divide, multiply. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 1 ja 3. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 multiply 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 upon 6. So you can cut this also. Change into simplest form. Divide by 2. It will be 1 upon 3. So answer will be 1 upon 2 minus, in box what will come? 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 6. So this is the answer. Sixth question. A piece of wire 7 upon 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Total length you have of wire, that is 7/8. We are breaking this wire into two pieces. The length of one piece is this. You have to find the length of other piece. So in this question we will do subtract. You will write here total length of wire is 7/8 meter. Length of one piece is 1/4 meter. You have to find length of other piece of wire. So for this, from total you will subtract this piece of wire, 1/4. Take LCM of 8/4. 8 and 4, both number will go on 2, again on 2, again on 2. Multiply these numbers, it will be 8. So LCM is 8, divide, multiply. 8 divided by 8, 1, 1 7 just 7. 8 divided by 4, 2, 2 1 just 2. 7 minus 2, 5, 5/8 meter. This is the length of other piece. Seventh question is, Nandini's house is 9/10 kilometers from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? Now this type of question you have to do subtract. There is total distance given between Nandini's house and her school, and in between she has taken bus and she covered half kilometer distance from the bus, and rest of the distance she covered by walking. So you have to tell the distance, how much distance she walked by foot. So this for this, first of all you will write statement. You will write total distance between her house and school is 9/10 kilometer. Distance covered by bus is half kilometer. Distance walked by her. For this we will do minus 9/10 minus 1/10. Again denominators are different, so we will take here LCM of 10 and 2. Here we will use prime numbers. It will go on 2. Then 5 is prime number. It will go on 10, 5. So we will multiply these prime numbers. It will be 10. So LCM will be 10. Leave one line and write 10. For this you will do divide. For this you will do multiply. Now 10 divided by 10, it will be 1. 1 9s are 9. 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. And 5 1s are 5. 9 minus 5, 4/10. Now 4/10 is not in simplest form. So we will convert this fraction into simplest form by dividing 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 2/5 kilometer. It means how far did she walk? She walked 2/5 kilometer to reach the school. Eighth question. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size. Partly filled the books. They have bookshelf, and bookshelf is the same size with both. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. It means in Asha's bookshelf there is 5/6 books are there of shelf, and in Samuel's shelf there is 2/5 full of books. Okay. Now and the size of bookshelf is same. Whose bookshelf is more full? It means you have to compare these both fractions, and by what fraction. Then you have to subtract these both fractions. Okay. So first of all, what you will write? You will write Asha's shelf is filled. Asha's shelf filled with books 5/6. Then Samuel's shelf filled with books is 2/5. Now we have to compare. We will do comparison. Okay, now we will do comparison. 5/6 and 2/5. For this we will do cross multiplication. 5 into 5 and 6 into 2. So 5 5s are 25, 6 2s are 12. Left hand side is greater than right hand side, and this is the left hand side fraction. So it means 5/6 is greater than 2/5. Now we will check whose part is this. 5/6 is the part of Asha's. It means Asha's bookshelf is more full compared with Samuel. So answer is Asha's bookshelf is more full. Now he is saying by what fraction. When in these type of question it is asked by what fraction, then you have to subtract both fractions. So which is big fraction? 5/6. In subtraction, big fraction will come first and small fraction will come in second position. So I am doing here 5/6 minus 2/5. Take LCM of 6 and 5. 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3 and 5 1 ja 5. Do multiply these prime numbers. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. So LCM is 30. Divide, multiply. 30 divided by 6, 5. 5 5 ja 25. 30 divided by 5, 6. 6 2 ja 12. Now do subtraction. It will be 30/30. 13/30. It means this is the fraction. By 13/30, Asha's bookshelf is more compared to compare the Samuel's bookshelf. Ninth question. Jaidev takes 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time? Again you have to do comparison. And by what fraction? Again he is asking by what fraction, then you will do minus these fractions. So first of all you will write here Jaidev takes time to walk is 1/5. Change this mixed fraction into improper. 5 to the 10 plus 1 11. 11/5 minutes. Then you will write Rahul takes time to walk is 7/4 minutes. Now you have to do comparison. For comparison, 11/5 and 7/4. We will do here cross multiplication. 11 into 4 and 5 into 7. Remember one thing, when you are doing comparison, you have to write this number first, 11 into 4. You will not write first 7 into 5. Okay? 11 into 4. 11 4 is 44 and 5 7 is 35. Again, left hand side is greater than right hand side. It means this fraction is greater than this. 11/5 is greater than 7/4. But he is asking who takes less time. 7/4 is smaller than this. Then whose fraction is this? 7/4. This is the fraction of Rahul. It means Rahul is taking less time. So you will write Rahul takes less time. First answer is this. Now he is asking by what fraction. For this you have to do subtract these two fractions. 11 upon 5, big fraction will come first, 7 upon 4. Take LCM of 5 and 4. Again 2, then 5. Multiply this. 2 into 2 into 5, it will be 20. So LCM is 20. Divide, multiply. 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 11 ja 44. 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 7 ja 35. Do minus. What will come? 9. 9 upon 20. So 9 upon 20 minutes. Answer. It means Rahul takes less time. By what fraction? That is 9 upon 20 minutes. And you have to do daily work. Daily I am giving you modules. You have to do daily modules work in your fair notebook. When I will ask, when I will say that send me your maths work, you have to send that day only. Otherwise next day I will not check your homework. Okay.